The precision of CNC machining will affect the quality of parts, direct impact on quality and functionality. In industrial manufacturing, precision means the requirements that can be met, and high-quality parts and functions are the goal pursued by every manufacturer. In order to achieve high precision, CNC machining usually uses high-precision mechanical equipment and measuring tools. In addition, the experience of CNC programming and operators also affects the accuracy. If the programming is improper or the operator is inexperienced, it may lead to a decrease in the accuracy of the parts. On the other hand, the material and structure of the parts also affect the accuracy. If the part is made of high-strength material and has good rigidity and stability, then its precision is relatively high. In addition, if the shape and structure of the part are more complex, then its precision will also be affected. In short, the precision of CNC machining is the quality and function of the parts are crucial. As a CNC source manufacturer, we are committed to providing customers with high-quality parts and excellent services. Therefore, we always pay attention to the accuracy issue and ensure that our customers can obtain high-precision parts.